Bakasyon kami ng ilang days sa Ilocos. Kasi yun, pumasyal kami sa Baluarte. Yung kinukuhanan ko yung video na yun, hindi ko na-notice kung ano yung pagtrato nila dun sa animals. Yung mga netizen lang nakapansin. Kawawa naman kasi parang antok na nga yung animals. Pinipilit pang mag-take picture. Siyempre sa akin, as a animal lovers, bigyan pa rin nila ng pahinga, laya.
Obviously, there is some maltreatment or mistreatment being committed doon sa lion na si King. They're supposed to be in the wild, they're supposed to be matapang. Pero bakit siya nandun, no? At may bata sa likod niya na nagpapapicture, so he's not supposed to be there. It could be na he's already stressed kasi pag mainitang panahon in the wild, no, talaga namang natutulog yan ng mga ganyang mga oras. Kasi nga sa gabi supposedly naghahanap na yan ng prey. But since in captivity naman yan, hindi naman naghahanap ng prey yan. Kaya yung siya ay pagod, inaantok, it's not normal under captive circumstance. The zoo operators, the zookeepers, we understand this may just be a job for you, but we appeal for you, to everyone involved in the operation, to please take a look at the welfare of the animals. Make sure that you understand the behavior of the animals. Make sure that you provide as much as possible utmost care, respect, and protection towards their welfare.